Hey Foo fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome to your boo. So like, comment, and subscribe to become a part of the Foo fam. So guys, today's video is going to be my rice water challenge results after 7 days. Now originally I did want to do it for 5 days, but then I changed my mind. I said, hey, if I'm going to do this, I might as well go all in. Before we get started, I actually did a rice water video before. It was about a year ago. I did it for only 5 days. My results were actually pretty insane. My hair was extremely thick. Now I did have Texlax to perm hair back then, but now I am 100% fully natural. And guys, yes, this is 1 year's worth of growth plus the help of rice water. Was that a spoiler? But since that challenge, I have never put rice water in my hair. Actually never even thought about it until now, because I really want my hair to get longer, because I am just falling in all types of love with my hair. In my last video, I did get a lot of frequently asked questions along with some hate. A good amount of hate actually, because I mentioned that rice water was a protein. So but since y'all want to come for me, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the real definition of rice water right now. Pull out your computer. You know what? You don't gotta do it. I got you. I got you. So let's go. We are going to Google what is rice water. Can you see? Can you see? Okay. We see okay, medical news today, I guess. All right, let's keep looking. Okay, so it says rice grains contains whatever. Rice water is the starchy water that retains what? You can't read. Rice water is the starchy water that remains after soaking or cooking rice. No, there. Okay, let's keep reading. Rice water is thought to contain many of the vitamins and minerals contained in rice. So not protein, vitamins and minerals. So these includes amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants. So if you guys wanted to know what rice water is, then there you go. A lot of vitamins that are good for you, good for your body. So I thought I saw an animal on my bed. Can you imagine how high I would have jumped? Like I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and answer some of y'all questions just so I could know the procedures that I took and also what I did precisely for the results that I have today. So here are some of the most asked questions. How many days should I keep it in before rinsing my hair? Now that does tie into other questions saying how long did you leave it in your hair for and did you rinse it out? I did this in the morning. Every single day I woke up, I sprayed the rice water on my scalp, I massaged it in, and I actually have a clip of me doing this, but I sprayed the rice water on my scalp, I massaged it in, and I also put some on the length of my hair. I didn't do that all the time, but I did it sometimes. I put that on the length of my hair, and then when I was done, I braided my hair back up. Some days I would still leave it braided, but other days when I wanted to put it on the length of my hair, I just did that and then I braided it back up. So I did that every single morning, and no, I did not rinse it out. I don't think you should rinse it out, but don't quote me on there. Okay, I also got a question saying, can you blow dry it? Yes, you could do whatever you want with your hair. It's your hair. The rice water is just an addition to your routine for those 7 days. Another question is, do you use it fermented or prepared? I personally used it prepared. Now that does tie in with another question, which was what kind of rice you use. So I do use regular white rice. I believe mine was basmati. If it wasn't, then it was just a regular white rice that I had in my house. I did not go shopping for any rice. I don't even think it has to be white. It could be brown or whatever rice. It's just rice is what we need. It's for the rice water. I just got the rice and I put it in like a strainer. I think that's what you call it. I just rinsed off all of the dirt, all of the whatever was in there. It ain't in there no more. And then I put the rice water in a bowl or in a container and I filled it up with water. I did not have a measurement. I just eyeballed it to make sure that it would fit my spray bottle. So yeah, I just put it in a container and I let it sit. I actually put the rice water in the fridge. I don't know why I did that. Are you supposed to put it in the fridge? I don't know. I put it in the fridge just so it could sit overnight. And then I woke up the next morning. I got my rice water. I poured the water only inside of the spray bottle, and then that was it. Now with the remaining of the rice, I was being a nice human being. I was thinking about Mother Nature and all of its aspects and beauty and all that it has given me, and I wanted to give back to it. So I got the rice that was being soaked and I just threw it in my grass. Now please don't think I'm crazy, because I can explain myself. So I did that because we do have birds flying around everywhere. Like, if you guys could literally see my window, it's just full of birds on all of these trees and branches. Is really beautiful, and now I feel like my house has been a nest for birds. My mom recently started just throwing rice on the grass outside, and the birds just come, and I have 2 dogs that are very angry at these birds, but we are getting sidetracked. This is not the topic that you clicked for. I'm sorry. All right, guys, so I answered y'all questions. I showed y'all the procedures, and I also told you exactly what rice water is. So y'all should be good. Y'all see the sun beaming on my face. Oh, we appreciate a little moment. This is mine, okay? Don't play with me. Ooh, I love this. Ready, stack? Oh, whoa, you weren't ready. Oh, my big ass face. I liked it. My flow wet. What the hell? Ain't no more shade. All right, so this is the moment y'all been waiting for. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this hair tie or shoelace out of my hair, and I'm gonna show y'all my results from the rice water challenge. All right, guys, right off the bat, I do want to say that my edges grew so much. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see? I have some edge control on them right now, but yo, I was literally bald over here, and look at how much hair I have here now. Guys, my edges grew so flippin' much. But this is my hair. Okay, so we're gonna do a length check. I actually already did one, and I'm gonna put the clip on the side of this or wherever, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my spray bottle, and I'm gonna spray this section of my hair. All right, just so I could have a bit more elasticity as I'm stretching it, because I don't want to break my hair, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle. Okay, I'm messing up my puff for y'all. Oh, I know you're lying. Okay, oh my god, I don't know if y'all can see this, but my hair is so shiny. Oh wow, rice water also helps your hair get shiny, guys. I don't know if that ain't it, ain't nothing it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this over here. Ready? Oh my god, y'all. So that's the results for the front. I actually don't think the front grew that much, but my edges did though. Okay guys, in this comparison, I actually took out a smaller chunk in the after picture. So that's my bad. But even with the smaller chunk, you can see that the hair is still longer, because I'm able to touch my skin with the after picture, and I wasn't able to with the before picture. But yeah, I'm gonna do a full 360 for y'all. Ready? Okay, maybe a 190 or 180. 360, 36, 180. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my puff again. If you want a tutorial on how I get this puff to be this nice and laid and beautiful, then let me know down below. I'll be sure to give that to y'all. Like what products I use and everything. But yeah, go ahead and try it out. If you did, let me know down below so I could go check out your video, or just tell me about your experience. But we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers, guys. The goal is to hit it before May 1st. We can do this. I believe in us. Let's get it done. Hit the subscribe button down below, and also the bell to be notified every single time I post a video for your beautiful face to see. But again, I say with all of my heart, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Out. Love you.